Hello everyone, I'm Dhara and welcome to my YouTube channel which is Mauve Nails, and today I will be showing you guys how I do isolated chrome design. So I did the base off camera and which is cat eye because the client wanted cat eye with some gold French tips. So the first step is to apply top coat after you're done with your base like I'm doing right now, and I am using Gel crystal top coat, but you can use the one you have, it's totally fine. I am using this because I like the way it's super shiny and stays like that for a long time. After fully curing the top coat, the second step is to buff the nails like I'm doing now. You want the surface to be fully rough. You don't want there to be any kind of shine left because chrome will stick on any surface that is shiny. The nail should look like this after buffing. For the design, I'm using this Bolt B 3D top gel. You can also use no wipe top coat with black polish. That also works well. Here I'm doing my design. Also a tip, if you don't have 3D top gel or anything, you can add a small amount of builder gel in your mixture of top coat and gel polish. It works just fine also. You just have to cure it for longer. And now we will cure this designs for 60 seconds. I know some people say you only have to cure it for 30 seconds or 45 max, but the thing is, the people who say that they probably have stronger curing clamp. You probably don't have that if you're struggling with this chrome design. So, yeah, fully cure the designs. So, the effect is always mirror like every single time. So I am applying the chrome in circular motion as you can see, and I am using eyeshadow applicator which always comes with the chrome. If it doesn't, you can buy it anywhere. It's super easy to get from anywhere. You can also use sponge or silicone molding brush. They also work just fine. I personally like to use this one because it's way more easy to do and it's more cleaner this way, at least for me. After you're done, make sure to dust off any remaining chrome powder there is left, otherwise it will pick up on the top coat. After removing the excess powder, you are done, and now you can apply the top coat and you are done. And this is how I get the mirror like chrome effect every single time. And thank you so much for watching this, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Do hit that subscribe button for future videos like this.